Hello everyone. Welcome to Purple Code. In today's video we are going to learn how to compile Java program in tradition way. So let's get started. There are 3 steps to compile and run Java program. First step is to save the file as filename.java. Second step is to compile the program as javac filename.java. And the final step is to run as Java filename.java. Let's see an example. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Happy coding!